Hi, I'm Scott Hammond with writtenplan.com, and I'm here today to talk to you about avoiding avoidance strategies. What do I mean by that? Do you avoid things in your life? Do you do excessive web surfing, socializing in the name of networking? Are you distracted during your day? Well, what a lot of people suffer from is kind of an avoidance mentality. And what that does is, for whatever reasons, they don't do the main thing, which is, their primary activity, their work, their job, whatever that main thing is. And instead, they default to an avoidance behavior pattern. Now, that could be excessive checking of emails. I'm always checking and listening to the dinger as I get an email, and I can't really get my work done because I'm so distracted. It could be surfing the web, doing Facebook, Twitter, whatever your social network of choice is. Or it could just be just talking to people a lot and being consistently distracting and distracted. Now, we have an energy allocation in our lives, a fight or flight system that really it builds up stress when you avoid. You can get an immune system problem, which is resulting in you getting sick. You can get cell replenishment system problems, which involves aging quicker. Or you could get an energy drain, which, in case you didn't notice, sometimes we get really tired even though we didn't do much. And what you'll find is that if you're more organized, productive, and focused, you'll actually be more energized and more healthy, and maybe you won't age quite as fast as you are right now. Which would be good for a lot of us. Why do people employ avoidance strategies? Well, a lot of times, what are they avoiding and why are they trying to avoid it? A lot of times it's fear, it's perfectionism, it could be a lot of different things. But what are some of the ways that we can address those avoidance behaviors? Well, number one, you got to know what needs to be done. Are you clear? Are you clear? Do you have clarity on your job, on the main activities? And if you don't, would you be able to ask and find out? And the answer is yes. Number two, do you have the skill set? If you don't have the skills to do the necessary job, consider going out and getting that skill set and learning whatever that is that needs to be done to do and accomplish what you need to be done. And then lastly, knowledge. Do you have the knowledge, and would you be willing to go out and grab that knowledge and get what's needed and get equipped to stop and learn and listen and do what's necessary to get whatever that main thing is in your life? And so find out what needs to be done. Short-term option is do it sooner than later. In other words, eat the frogs. They talk about that in a lot of Brian Tracy readings and Tom Hopkins, different people. Do the harder things first. Stop, identify what those are, do them first, get them out of the way, and move on with your day. Your day will become extremely easier. You'll feel more energized, you'll feel better about yourself, and you'll avoid your usual avoidance strategies, which actually get us all into a lot of trouble. And then a long-term option is just delegate it. Get somebody else to do that job that you hate doing. Maybe they do it better, maybe they're more effective, and maybe you need to let go of some control in your life and let somebody else do it and learn from it, and maybe long-term is completely eliminate it because it may not even be a necessary thing anyway. Scott Hammond, writtenplan.com. Have a great day and be more productive.